Hey guys, it's VertiBox Gaming here, and today we're going to be playing another round of Phantom Forces. So, if you guys are new to my channel, go to my channel. It's called VertiBox Gaming. Go to it, subscribe, turn on post notifications, so you never miss a video, and leave a like on the video. Let's get into this. I just did a video on my today. I really don't get that video. You guys can see it. And let's get into this. You guys are new to my channel, subscribe on my channel. Oh jeez. Got a headshot and then I died. Let's do this, baby. Yes! 6 counted kill. Let's go spawn on this guy. How many kills do I have? 3 vs 3, 2. Let's get this 36-10. Like I did on one of those on the 911 map.
Emma, it's not on our dresser.
Headshot! Booyah, baby! Dum ba dum ba dum. If you guys enjoy this content, leave a like on the video. No! 5-4. 4 deaths, 5 kills. Let's do this. What? I never touched it. Come on! 9 kills, 5 deaths. Let's do this. I want to get to at least 20 by the time I get 10 deaths. Ask her that. Okay, got you. Okay, got you. No! 13 kills, 6 deaths. Let's do this. I think we might be able to get another 7 kills before we get 4 deaths. Spawn. Deploy.
Off the bed. Yeah. What is it? What is it? What is it? Let's go.
No! Dang it. Seriously, I died from falling? 7 deaths, 13 kills. Ah. Yes, got him. 14 kills, 8 deaths. We cannot die another 2 times before we get to 20. We need to get 6 kills and 2 deaths. Okay, got him. Okay, got you. No! Not the BF. 16 kills. I need to get 4 kills before 1 more death. Come on. I can do this.
Trying to.
No! Why? Ugh, 10 deaths, 16 kills. Maybe before we get 15 kills, we're gonna hit 20 kills. Before we have 15 deaths, hopefully. Yes, got somebody. Almost there. I think we probably could do it before 13. Ow! 12 deaths, 18 kills. Let's do this. 2 more kills before 13. Come on. Come on. Please, 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 please. Please let me do this. No! Yes! 20 deaths before 13 kills. Booyah! No! 14 kills. Let's get 1 more kill before 20. 15 kills. 15 deaths, I mean. Where is somebody? No! 15 deaths, 20 kills. Let's do this. No! Why me? No, what? Dude! AYT. Channel is called Verdi Vlogs Gaming. Go check it out. No! Up and loadout. Support. What level am I? 36. MG. Ooh. Attachment. Gonna use this for a second. Okay, deploy. Ow. No! Oh, whatever. Okay, go like this. No, not there. I meant to go to weapon loadout. Actually, no, I'm gonna keep my weapon on. Okay, case inventory. How much chance do I have on this? 5.50 chance of legendary. Jeez. Metro. Ooh, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let the game begin! Da-da-da-dum-bum-bum. To run. What the flip already? What? That was awesome. This gun is awesome. What weapon is this? Shout out to the MG36. That's a great gun. Guys, go try that out. Show it some support. Show me some support by helping me in game. Help me in games. Don't kill me. Subscribe to my channel. Leave likes on the video. Show it to my channel to friends.
Shia,
What?
we have to leave in 12 minutes.
No, we don't. It's 7:38. Are you crazy?
We have to leave at 7:50 because I have to be at school at 8. Minutes.
No.
11 minutes now.
Keep counting. I'm not coming to show at all.